Anyways, I was gonna move the camera to the update, but I feel like I can just do it here. So,
That
yes,
candy.
Hope is officially 4 months old. We woke
Right
up
there.
exactly 4 months ago, and it was a Saturday,
Playing
and we talked about
fruit
what
bar,
if this was our last
shopping,
Saturday
and
without a
bananas.
baby, and we had no idea she
Right
would
there.
literally be born like that day. Are you
Right
eating
there.
that? This
Right
has
there.
probably been the
The
fastest 4
cookie
months of
or
my life.
fruit
I can't
candy.
even believe it.
Fruit
It's crazy
candy.
how like it goes
Fruit
by so
candy.
fast, and then
Fruit
they just change every single day,
candy.
but you like don't
Fruit
realize they're
candy.
changing until it's been like a month, and you're like, wait, they're like so different now. But she's getting so fun. She's getting so big. I don't know how much she weighs because again we go to the doctor tomorrow, but I'm guessing she's like around 11 or 12 pounds maybe. I think that's what she was. Actually, I don't know.
Dark
because I
red.
think she was 11 pounds when we took her to the doctor last time, and that was when she was only
Dark
2
red.
months. So maybe she's like
Dark red.
probably bigger than that. I don't know.
Dark
But she's
red.
getting so big and so
Dark
fun.
red.
She has like the sweetest little
Dark red.
personality. I've noticed some of you guys asking in the
Dark
comments
red.
if you noticed any personality traits from her
Dark
yet, and
red.
I feel like
Dark
mostly just
red.
that she's like super chill.
Yippee.
Obviously she's a baby, so she has her moments where she might be
Candy.
crazy, but 99%
Candy.
of the time she's just
The
so
little
chill. Anyone who ever
candy.
meets her is like so
Fruit
impressed
bar.
by how
Fruit
she's
bar.
just such a good baby and will
Yippee.
just like sit and hang out. Can we go to the twinkle one?
Or the little cookie.
The blue one?
Cookie.
That was gonna die.
Yep.
Babe, do we have a charged vlog
Bam.
camera battery? But I feel like
Bam.
she's just